and I'm here today with another brand new YouTube tutorial for all of my viewers. And if you are just browsing around happen to find this video, I have plenty of other tutorials that you may look on my channel. But today's tutorial will be discussing how to find some of the most common and popular measures of central tendencies that deal with statistics, and basically just telling you how to find them easily on Excel. Now, I'm sure many of you know how to do this by hand or by calculator, but let's be realistic. When you have 20 or 30 values, who wants to actually sit there and do everything by hand or type everything in a calculator? So this is going to teach you how to do it very quickly, very easily, just with a few clicks, and you should have everything you need. Now, these aren't all the measures of central tendency that relate to statistics, but these are the most common ones: mean, median, mode, sum, standard deviation, first quartile, third quartile, maximum, minimum, and range. These are some of the most common and most popular ones. I will be making a video later this week on a chi-squared test, how to do this in Excel. So if you want to do statistical analysis, keep in touch with my channel and you'll see how to do a chi-squared test. But enough of that, let's get to the tutorial already. First of all, you have a set of data, obviously, so have your set of data in one column. And I have this labeled. You don't need to have it labeled if you don't want to have it labeled, but I want to have it labeled to keep myself organized. You click an empty cell, and you will click up to your formula bar. Now your formula bar is basically going to tell Excel what to do. So in formula bar, you're going to type in equal sign, and then you're going to type in average. Now, Excel recognizes mean as average, so you have to type in average. You can't type in mean. I don't think you can even, because if you type in mean, it doesn't work. So just remember average for mean. And you start your parentheses, and then you select your data. Just click the first cell and drag down to the last cell, and then end parentheses. Click enter. There's your mean. You do the same thing with median, mode, sum, standard deviation, first quartile, third quartile, maximum, and range. So let's go ahead and do that. Go back up to your formula bar, equal sign, median, start parentheses. You're going to select your data, end parentheses, enter. There's your median. Now for mode, equal sign, mode, start parentheses, going to highlight, end parentheses, enter, 22. Now for sum, equal sign, sum, start parentheses, and highlight, end parentheses. There's your sum. Standard deviation, equal sign, and I believe this would be STD EVA. So remember, standard deviation is STD EVA. Start parentheses, highlight your data, end parentheses, standard deviation. Now for your first quartile, it's a little different. All you have to do is you have to type in equal sign, you type in quartile, you start your parentheses, and then you have to highlight your data, and then you have to type in comma, and then type in 1. Now the reason why you're typing in 1 is because it's your first quartile. They need to know what quartile you're looking at. Third quartile, first quartile, which quartile you're looking at. Now since we're looking at first quartile here, you type in quartile, you highlight your cells, your data, and then comma, 1, end parentheses, enter. There's your first quartile. For third quartile, it's the same thing. Equal sign, quartile, start parentheses, highlight your data, comma, type in 3 because we're looking for the third quartile, end parentheses, enter. There's your third quartile. Now for maximum, same thing, equals max. Oops, I messed it up. Sorry about that. Okay, do it again. Do this again. Max, start parentheses, going to highlight this, end parentheses, enter. Maximum is 102. Now obviously you could see this because there's only one 3-digit number, but if you have more data, obviously it's more helpful. Equal sign, min, start parentheses, highlight, end parentheses, enter, and it's 10. Now for your range, all you have to do is subtract your maximum from your minimum. So you could actually just type in equal, and then you could actually just type in parentheses minus enter. Oh wait, you have to close parentheses. Sorry about that. Ignore everything I just did. You can do it with a calculator, or you can just do it in your head, but if you have big numbers, obviously it's going to be a lot harder. So once again, click your range, click your formula bar, click equal, start your parentheses, and click your maximum, type in minus, click your minimum, close parentheses, enter 92. So that's how you do that. There is no code for the range. You just click equal parentheses, click your maximum, your minimum, and then end parentheses, and your range will come out. So that's how you do that. Now obviously, like I said, range you can do in your head, 102 minus 10. But if you have big numbers, then obviously it's a lot harder. So like I said. But that's how you do the basic, common, most popular, measures of central tendencies, and some statistics. My next video will be on how to do a chi-square test, so watch out for that. If you're interested in that, that will be up very soon. So I hope everyone learned how to do this. If you have any questions or comments, please do leave a comment in the comment section below this video. If you like this video, you may like it, favorite it, if you'd like to do so. And thank you for watching, everyone, as usual. And this is GS Man Smart. I'll be back sooner than you think. Don't go anywhere.